guys, today I'm reviewing or unboxing this Godzilla Playmates 1968 gorasaurs, and it's so cool. He has this Godzilla 1999 picture right here. This is from Playmates, not from Bandai, because it's a different brand. Bandai is from Japan, and the US makes Playmates. And on the back, you can also get Rodan, and you also can get Burning Godzilla and Jet Jaguar. It's super cool. You can see the fire flames on the same thing for the front and back. All right, let's start cutting these strips. I got this part out, but I'm gonna get the bottom ones too. Oh, I got that part twice. Okay. Get these strips out. Those over here. Okay, I got gorasaurs out. That actually took kind of long, but okay. Here's gorasaurs. Any big dinosaur or Godzilla, you always have to have an attachable tail. This one's kind of hard because it always squeezes in does it? Maybe I should do this. There we go. I got it. This is Gorasaurus. So this has the combination colors of blue, main blue, and beige, or is it white? And the claws are painted nice. We got some red, and then the eyes are white and black. The articulation, head moves all the way around. Arms move. Legs move. And tail moves. I think this is based on one of the Godzilla movies. And look at this. You can actually make him running, which is cool. And he stares really nice for the tail. If you take it out the tail, and then he will fall. And here's what it says. I mean, the Gorosaurus is a little bit different. I'm not sure if Gorosaurus is made in Bandai, like the Bandai Creation, Bandai Japan, and other stuff. But this is Playmates, so it's a little different branded. And I like this Gorosaurus. This should be only from Target. I'm not sure for Walmart too, but like and subscribe, or the Gorasaurus will charge after you